Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie for weight loss easy method. Start by gathering fresh greens, a low-sugar fruit, a protein source, healthy fat, and unsweetened liquid. Measure portions to control calories. Use a high-speed blender and pulse until smooth, checking texture and adding ice if needed. Taste and adjust sweetness with cinnamon or a small amount of stevia. Portion into 12-ounce servings and enjoy daily. Combine fiber, protein, healthy fat, and low glycemic carbs for a filling weight loss smoothie. Start with 1 to 2 cups leafy greens, half a cup berries, 25 grams protein powder or 3 ounces Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon chia or flax seeds. Add 8 to 12 ounces unsweetened almond milk or water and blend until smooth. Avoid added sugars and limit high-calorie toppings. Drink as a meal replacement or snack daily. Control calories and boost results by watching portion size and ingredients. Swap high-sugar fruits for berries, use low-fat or plant proteins, and include one source of healthy fat like avocado or nut butter. Add ice or frozen fruit for volume without extra calories, and use spices like cinnamon to enhance flavor. Prepare smoothies ahead and portion into single servings to avoid overeating. Monitor results and adjust calories by 50 to 100.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.